it's giving me dry hair.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you are returning, hey y'all, I know it's been a little bit, I know it's been a little while, but I'm her, honey, I'm her. So y'all, I picked up 2 new wigs that I'm so excited to show you guys, and y'all know I'm excited because I done came on in the intro with my straight backs, okay? So if you're excited like I am, make sure you keep on watching. Okay y'all, so y'all gonna be a little mad with me because I done had these wigs for 2 months now and I'm just now reviewing these, but that's okay, we gonna get into it nonetheless. So y'all, I got the Outre Lace Front Perfect Hairline fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig. Y'all, I got it in the style Annalise. I did get the color DR2 Golden Amber, and then I also got it in the color number 1. So y'all, this is supposed to be heat resistant up to 400 degrees. You can part it in a right, center, and braided top. So we're gonna see if that is a good claim, if it's correct. We got the transparent lace HD. You know I'm here for HD lace, and it says no plucking required. So we gonna see, honey. We're gonna put this bad boy on. We're gonna see if she is doing and giving what we want it to give. So y'all, let's get into it. Initial thoughts just on my hair without the lace cut. It's very, very soft. I'm really feeling the naturalness of the hairline, and once I pull out the baby hairs, I'm sure it's gonna look even more natural. And y'all, I forgot to mention, I really wanted to try these lace tints by Touchdown, and I picked these up at my local beauty supply store, and I thought that these would be super, super cute. I got the medium brown, the light brown, and the warm brown. So I'm going to just try to find my shade and then go ahead and tint the lace a little bit, because this lace is a little on the light side, and I just know automatically it's not going to blend. And I could use powder, but I just want to try these tints first. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into it. Okay y'all, so I tried kind of testing to see which one would be best for my skin tone, and I feel like the warm brown is a little too warm for my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the light brown and the medium brown together to kind of get my shade. And sometimes y'all not gonna find the perfect shade, but what you can do is just mix them and then, you know, kind of go from there. final thoughts on the wig. Lord knows I don't want to give it away, but you can tell by the smile I'm already really feeling this wig. But let's get into the first thing. So the first thing is packaging. I'm really happy that they have like this box for the wig instead of just that regular plastic, and that's all you get. So I was really happy with the packaging. Second thing is the cap size. The cap size, I would say, I have a small head. I feel like it can fit a medium or large size head because I do have it on like the tightest strings. So I wanted it to be snug on my head, and y'all saw that I adhere both wigs to my hairline just to make sure that it's nice and snug and it's giving me that realistic look I was going for. I was trying to give y'all the whole look, honey, the whole look. Next, let's get into this lace. It does say it's a transparent HD lace, and y'all saw when I tried it on, it was a little light. So I'm glad I did have this lace tint. I did use the medium brown and the light brown. So if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on that, make sure you comment below. But I was able to tint the lace and get pretty much my my skin color. If it's coming up a little light, it's because I have all these bright lights in front of me. However, if I'm doing it in the sun, it's definitely the same color. So it's looking really, really good. So as far as the feel of the lace, it is very, very soft. It's giving me HD vibes, okay? I know it's not like the regular HD lace that I'm used to because it typically frays at the edges, and I can tell it's just not high quality, but for the price point, it's $39.99. I can't beat that. This lace is like giving me what I'm going for, okay? I'm going for realism. Y'all, the hair texture of the wig is definitely yaki. It feels like African American texture hair. It's not giving me silky hair, and as y'all can see, even the sheen on it isn't high gloss. The only sheen that you all would have seen on this wig and the other wig is when I added the hairspray, and then it gave it more of a shine. But as y'all can see, it's not shiny at all. It looks like natural hair. So I really, really like the fact that it's giving me natural vibes. The parting space, y'all saw me sit there and put the powder in the space. 13 by 6, you getting 13 by 6, okay? So I really like the fact that you can part it on the sides. Y'all saw me part it on the sides as well. So that's just one of those things that I'm a sucker for. Parting space. If I can part and do what I want to do, even though I don't even move my part that often, I just like the option. One of my drawbacks about this wig is the tangling. Y'all, it's giving me dry hair. Like, you put this through the hair, and of course it want to look nice now, but before, y'all, it was just getting so tangled, and I didn't like that about this wig. Now, if you are just going for the looks, then this is perfect. But if you trying to wear this every day, all day, baby, you're gonna need a paddle brush. You're gonna need a paddle brush because it's going to tangle on you, and I'm sure that you're gonna get a lot of tangling in the nape. It's just, it's not your friend in that notion. I can't say I got a lot of shedding because I didn't. I just showed y'all the strands, but the tangling, I could go without. I could go without that. And then also too, y'all, I wish that it was a little bit, or the color DR Golden Amber, I think. I wish that that was thicker. I feel like the color number 1 is coming off a lot thicker than the actual color. And you also pay like a couple extra dollars for the color. So I feel like I should be getting the same amount of her. I'm just saying, it should be the same amount. Overall, I absolutely love this wig, you guys. Y'all know I would recommend this wig. Like, come on, baby. We're going for a hot girl summer since we didn't get a chance to really enjoy that last summer. I'm just really, really feeling this wig, you guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 9 because I gotta dock a point for that tangling, because no ma'am, even a point and a half. But I really, really do love this wig, you guys. I love both colors. Okay, y'all, I'm done talking about how much I love this wig. So you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.